Being able to take care of your RV in case of a power loss while out camping is vital to make sure your trip goes off without a trip to a repair shop. Today, we're going to show you tips on your RV slide's electrical system and what to do if issues arise. First and foremost, if you don't feel comfortable fixing an electrical issue yourself, please contact a professional to assist you. Slides that are operated using an electric motor are normally found on smaller, lighter slides. While they work adequately when not overloaded, they can experience problems such as the motor or gearbox going bad, the motor becoming overloaded, or a shearing of the drive pin in the main gear drive mechanism. If there's no response when you activate the slide-out switch, check first for blown fuses or tripped circuit breakers. These can be found in the main breaker panel around the battery compartment or in the power line by the motor. If no issues are present, proceed by unplugging the battery of the RV so there's no power to the slide. After doing so, check the battery's voltage and charge if needed. If the battery is also in working order, the wiring between your battery and slide motor may be at fault. If this is the case, you may need to contact an RV repair shop for further assistance. However, this may not keep you from being able to retract or extend your slide. Many RVs have a manual override to help retract your slide in case of power failure. Before manually adjusting your slide, insert wheel chocks to avoid any movement from the unit. In this case, take the crank handle that came with your RV and insert it into the override tube. If you crank in one direction and it will not budge, then crank in the opposite direction. These systems are not meant to be tense while retracting or extending the slide. Other manual systems will require you to take a socket wrench and place it over the hex head located at the end of your slide's motor. This can either be found in the underbelly of the RV or inside the RV behind a couch or under the floor. Again, if you feel uncomfortable taking care of any electrical issue with your RV, please contact a professional to help you. Thanks for watching today. We hope you found this information helpful. Enjoy your trip.